Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich and delicious rice barfi using simple pantry ingredients. This traditional homemade sweet has a soft texture, a nutty flavor, and is perfect for festival celebration or whenever you are craving something special. Let's start the recipe. First take 1 cup rice. Wash it thoroughly with clean water. Rice provides energy and forms the base of many traditional desserts. Strain all the water. Now spread the rice over a clean cotton cloth. Let it dry for 10 minutes. Heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon ghee. Now add the rice. Keep stirring continuously. Roast the rice for 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes dry and lightly aromatic. Dry the washed rice before roasting for the best texture. Transfer the roasted rice to a blender. Blend until you get a fine powder. Blend the rice into a fine powder for smooth barfi. Now add 1/4 cup cashew nuts. Blend again until smooth. Cashew nuts contain healthy fats and important minerals. Cashew nuts add a naturally rich and creamy flavor to dessert. Keep the blended rice and the nut mixture aside. Now pour 1 cup milk into a pan. Add 3 tablespoons milk powder. Mix well until milk powder dissolves completely. Milk adds calcium and protein to the recipe. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. Now add half cup sugar. Stir until the sugar melts. Gradually add the blended rice and cashew mixture. Mix everything well so there are no lumps. Add another 1 teaspoon ghee. Keep stirring continuously over medium-low heat. Cook until the mixture becomes thick and start leaving the sides of the pan. Keep stirring while cooking to prevent the mixture from sticking. Now lightly grease a steel plate with a little oil. Transfer the mixture onto the greased steel plate. Spread it evenly with a spatula. Let it rest for 30 minutes until completely set. Cut into your favorite shapes. Cut the barfi only after it has completely cooled and set. Freshly prepared sweets always have a wonderful homemade taste and aroma. Your soft and delicious rice barfi is ready to enjoy. Your homemade rice barfi is ready. Soft, rich, and filled with the goodness of rice, milk, and cashews. It's a wonderful dessert for sharing with family and friends. Enjoy every bite of this traditional homemade sweet. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more festive dessert baking recipes and easy homemade treats.